okay, I can't do it. I'm too shy. Okay. Hey there. This is an awkward setting because I'm at my boyfriend's house and I don't usually have my filming equipment like my tripod or my lighting. I just bring my camera. Today is the first day of Countdown to 24. That's not the best name I wanted to do for this week of whatever, but that's just what I came up with. Countdown to 24, because Friday, January 24th is going to be my birthday. Yes, I'm going to be turning 24. Yes, I know what you're going to say. Oh my gosh, you look so young. I didn't know, blah, blah, blah. I know. We all know. Okay. Anyways, my hair. So, yesterday I just posted a video of a week in my hair. I had a wash and go, and I kept my wash and go in for a whole 7 days. And I loved the results. So, I kind of was thinking, you know, my birthday's coming up. I kind of want to do something a little different, but I was just like, I've been doing wash and goes a lot. Let me switch it up just a little schmiddle, nothing big. And I was just like, you know what? Let me try to do a twist out. I know twist outs are easier for everybody to do because not everybody knows how to do braids. And I'm going to be keeping the twist in for this whole week until my birthday. So then that's going to be like my birthday hairstyle. And you know, the longer you usually have your twist or braids in, the better, because you know, the more defined and boom, bam, boom, bump. I'm not excited for it, to be honest. Let me tell you, I don't do braid outs or twist outs for a reason, because they take too dang long for me to do. And I'm like moving because my knees are getting tired. I'm getting old already, guys. I'm just kidding. Young, forever young. Like Jay-Z said. Okay, anyways. This is the final results after I filmed the video yesterday, the last day of me 7 days of rocking my wash and go. I kind of just let loose and taking care of my hair, like stop wrapping it. Oh, also I did a whole bunch of hairstyles on that wash and go, which you'll see this week. So yeah, my hair is just like, oh my goodness. So this is the before. And I'm gonna go wash and deep condition my hair. I'm not gonna show you guys because I have a video on it. You can click the eye to see that. My lips are chapped. I'm trying to hurry up, okay? My videos are not gonna be this rushed through the rest of the week. They're gonna be a little more organized. This was just like spare the moment because I kind of just wanted to start off with me doing my twist out so I can document it pretty much every day up until. Let's move on. Let me just do my dang hair. Thumbnail. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, my hair's already dry. Actually, doesn't look too bad right now. Hours later, my hair is already dry. The lighting is just all out of whack because it is nighttime. I realized that I needed to cook after I did my hair, and I wanted my food to be, you know, on while I'm doing my twist out, you know, because it could take a while. Let's just get straight into this. This is gonna be like so informal. This is not a tutorial. It's pretty much you just watching me do my twist out. I'm just gonna show you guys like the first few parts of it, and then I'll probably like be watching stuff while I'm doing it. Since I am not a twist out expert, because I don't do twist outs often, I am going to be watching the woman that I first discovered on YouTube. I feel like she's really good at twist out. Minnie Marley. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know her because she's like the OG of natural hair videos. I'm gonna be looking at her newest twist out tutorial. It says on short natural hair, but hopefully it still works on my longer natural hair, which I'm pretty sure it will. Let's get started because I am not trying to be doing this all day. just never know how much to put in my hair as far as product wise. And I'm just like, I don't want to put too little because I want that definition, but I don't want to put too much because then my hair's going to be like way down. And I really like Mini Marley's twist because it's more like lightweight instead of like way down, and it's like, it has a lot of volume and stuff. So we shall see. I feel like I'm putting too much product in it now, but it's okay. Down, too many more to go. I feel like, are they supposed to get like chunky? Now I feel like it's drying kind of like, but I guess it's supposed to look like that. Sorry for this terrible lighting. Oh my gosh. Alright, I need to go check on my food now. Oh my gosh. I hate doing these things. Thank you. I'm talking to my camera. All right. One side down. A whole chunk of another side to go. I am low-key regretting this decision. I salute anybody who does twist outs for fun or just because they feel like it's better management for your hair or whatever the reason you take so long to do this to your hair. Oh my goodness, props to you. I realize why I don't do this. I mean, of course, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be happy with the results, but man, this takes a lot of time. And I'm using these yummy smelling products and I'm starving, so I'm going to go and get some food because I'm so hungry, and smelling these products is starting to make me feel sick because I'm just so hungry and I'm about to just go to sleep like this. I'm just rock this style, you know, just the one bun and the twist. They don't look bad though. They don't look bad. Okay. Are you serious? No! Let me look it up. This is bonkers. Did she just make those sounds? Oh, she's eating. Oh, finally I'm finished. Just finished watching whatever that movie was called. What was it called again? Hereditary. Crazy movie. If you like scary movies, that will definitely get you. Me and my boyfriend, we really like watching like scary movies and suspense and thrillers, and we've seen so many, it's like really hard to find a good one, but that was a good one and a creepy one. And something about me is I like to watch horror movies, but I have to, if it's really scary, I have to watch a cartoon. Twist turned out great. I'm so happy. They look pretty shiny too for me not to use that much product. I'm happy with it. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, I'm tired now, so I'm gonna go to sleep. Sorry about this terrible angle, but I don't have anywhere to prop my phone up. So I'm putting my scarf on. I don't have my cap today, so I just have my satin scarf, you can see. This is a terrible angle, by the way. just like that. Hair is protected. I'm gonna go to sleep now. I will see you in day 2 of countdown to 24. Good night. Peace out, or good morning, wherever you are.